Good morning. What a beautiful day. Wow, Canada is so beautiful. Lena, wake up. Let's go.
5 more minutes, please.
I want to see the city.
They are still asleep.
I'll be back soon.
The hallway is so quiet.
Look, the Canadian flag. Canada is so beautiful, and I want to explore it now.
I need to return to my room now.
Oh, why now?
Where is Ben? Is Ben not here?
Why won't the door open?
I'll look in the living room. Maybe Ben is here.
Ben, are you here? Please answer, I'm scared.
Okay, I'll check the bathroom. Maybe he's there.
Not in the bathroom. This is weird. Where is he?
Mom, I'm outside.
Davis, I can't find him. Did Ben go out?
Mom, please open the door.
Wait. I hear Ben outside.
Mom, can you hear me? Mom, I'm right here. The door, I can't open it. I'm right outside, Mom. Mom, help!
Ben, you scared me.
I just wanted to see the city. We know.
Yeah.
We understand.
Tell us first next time.
Today, we explored Canada. That sounds fun. Let's go.
Are you brave?
I am a little scared.
It is not just big, it is very powerful.
Wow! It is huge! I love it! I want to see more! This is Niagara Falls. It is famous. It looks like the ocean is falling down. The water is everywhere. Look at that. The water will splash us. Oh, wow! The sound is so loud! Nature is so strong and amazing! We can't go closer. It is too strong.
This is a very special day.
Goodbye, waterfall. I will never forget this.
This is just the start. More fun is coming.
Ah! Stop! Don't fall into the snow.
Really, Dad? I'm scared now.
The snow is so beautiful. Wow, so much snow. I want to play. That's so much fun.
It's so cold.
But I like it. Oh, I fell.
But it's okay, it's funny.
Look! You have snow all over you.
Who wants a snowball fight with me?
Me! I do! Let's go! Catch me! I I am so fast! Be careful. Don't fall again.
Now, let's try skiing together.
Yay! Let's go! I'm scared, but I want to try.
Go slow. Keep your balance.
Wow! I can stand! Look at me!
Now go a bit faster.
Ah! It's so fast! It's so fast! This is so fun!
Let's ski together. Let's ski together as a family.
I want to play more! Don't stop!
The cold place is the best place.
Look up. The sky is so colorful.
Wow! Red leaves! They are so beautiful! Red leaves are everywhere! They're here! Ah! Ah! So red! It's like a movie!
This is autumn. Maple leaves are famous.
Quick! Strike a pose in the leaves!
Perfect. Let's take a photo.
I'm spinning! Look at me! Wow!
1, 2, 3. Smile big.
I want to play more. I'm not going home.
Follow me. Our adventure isn't over.
Time for a fun bus trip. A bus with no roof.
A bus with no roof though.
We can see everything.
I love it here. It feels so alive.
Look, these buildings are so tall.
Yes, they are. They're incredible.
I've never seen anything like it.
That is the CN Tower. It's very famous.
It is very high, over 550 meters.
Wow, it's so tall. I can't see the top. It really is magnificent, Ben. Yeah, it's the highest thing ever.
Ben, take a photo. This is great. Look, people are playing music.
Cool! They dance so well!
Look, a man is painting a picture.
It's so fun and colorful here.
We are home. It was a great day.
Thank you for watching our video today.
Please subscribe for more fun adventures.